Morning student, hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 5. Our chapter name is more about Photoshop CC. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the Photoshop CC because before this chapter we are not familiar with the Photoshop CC. Now in this lesson we are familiar with the other tools of the Photoshop CC. Now continue the video student. Today we are going to discuss more on Photoshop CC. So in this chapter we are going to discuss more about the Photoshop CC. Adobe Photoshop is basically used for retouching and editing the photographs to make them look attractive and appealing. Okay, so Adobe Photoshop provide us various painting tool to retouch and edit an image, which are as follow. Let's know more. Adobe Photoshop is available in 29 language. How many language? 29 language. Painting tool. First is painting tool we discuss here, brush tool, history brush tool and gradient tool. So these are the painting tool. Now the fact Adobe Photoshop has the spelling checker. Go to edit. Check the spelling to check the spelling mistake. Painting brush tool. In brush tool, the brush tool is basically tool used to create smooth stroke of the foreground color in your image. Foreground means जो आपका front side में जो color होता है. You can set the various option in the option bar which include brush preset picker. This option provides you with a large number of pre-designed brush preset that you can also change the diameter of the brush by using size slider. You can increase and decrease the size of brush. A brush can be up to 5000 pixel, मीन्स 5000 तक आप अपने ब्रश को इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. मोड इट अलाउ टू सेलेक्ट द सेट पेंटिंग मोड फ्रॉम द ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट. ओपेसिटी, दिस ऑप्शन अलाउ यू टू सेट द लेवल ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑफ द ब्रश स्ट्रोक. follow determine how quickly the brush tool apply the paint. Follow these steps to use the brush tool. First is open any image. Second is right click on the quick selection toolbar tool and choose the magic wand tool with the tolerance setting of 32 and select the area where you want to apply brush tool. As we have selected the grass area in the image, you can see in this image that is a grass area. Select the brush tool from the tool panel to press B on the keyboard. Okay, then brush you can select the desired brushes style from the brush preset picker, means where the brush are available. Say grass in the legacy brush. Okay, so there is a different types of brushes available. Then you choose from there and apply on your image. Click set the foreground color box in the tool panel. Color picker foreground color dialog box will be appear. Set the green color. Select the desired color. Here we have chosen dark green color. Okay. Similarly, select the light green background color from the select background color box. Click on OK. Now drag the pointer image while holding down the left mouse button so as apply brush stroke. Okay, you can see in this image that is grass applied. Notice the grass stroke being made the selected portion of the image. Okay, you can see there is a grass available. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. Now tips there. Foreground color is used to painting feel and for stroke select the selection. Background color is used to make the gradient fill. Fill color in the erase area in the image. By default, foreground color is black and background color is white. Always the background color is white. Painting tool. Now we discuss painting tool. Pencil. The pencil tool is used to draw freehand drawing with the hard edges. Okay. Right click on the brush tool. Select the pencil tool from the tool panel. Select the required option for the tool from the option bar. So which option you want to apply, then you select and click the set foreground color box and tool panel. Down dialog box will be appear. Color picker tool foreground color dialog box will be appear. Now you choose, select the desired color, click on OK. Drag the pointer to draw a desired shape. If you want to change the color, then you change the other color, other stroke. Shape also you can change. You can see in this image any color, if which color you use, then you can use. Color replacement tool. Next is color replacement tool. This tool replaces the existing color of an image with the foreground color. Right click on the brush tool and select the color replacement tool from the fly out menu that appear. Okay. This pointer shape change in the target symbol. You can see there is a yellow symbol, that is a target symbol. Choose the appropriate color. Say blue from the set foreground color box panel will be appear. Now drag the mouse pointer over the area image whose color to be replaced. जिसका भी आपको कलर रिप्लेस करना है उस पर आप ड्रैग करोगे. such as the big red mushroom given red color. As drag the cursor, Photoshop continues same sample of the color that is under the cross in the center of the mouse pointer. You can see we can change here blue color with the current foreground color. Now you can see there is a red mushroom, now is blue mushroom. You can select the replacement color from the image itself to do so. Okay. Hold down the Alt key and the left mouse button to select any appropriate color from the image. Okay. So you can see, you will notice the color of the change in the foreground color box in the tool panel. You can also specify the various settings to control the behavior of the color replacement tool in the option bar. Select the appropriate option for tolerance and limits in the option bar. Okay, you set the tolerance, which color you want to and which looking you want to, that you use. So tolerance determine how closely the color should be matched for the sampling. The default value is 30%. Specify a higher value. Select the wide range of the colors, whereas specifying a lower value selects color it are the similar to pixel. Limits allow you to specify whether only the color of the adjustment pixel, the sample color, should be replaced, or colored of the non-adjacent area should be replaced as well. Now the facts. Selection can be saved for the future use. You can say to save the selection, click on the select menu, save option, then save selection option. Dialog box will be appear. Specify any name, your selection. Okay, you give the name of your selections. Now next is painting tools. Painting tool allow you to paint more realistic way, mixing color, canvas, etc. Mixed brush tool. Right on the brush and select the mixer brush tool from the tool panel. This tool allow you to more realistic way color on the canvas, combining color on the brush and varying paint wetness across the stroke. So right click on the brush tool and select the mixer brush tool from the tool panel. Press the Alt key from the keyboard and click on the point in the image from where you want to load the paint for the brush. Here we have loaded the brush with the blue color of the background. Alternative, you can select a foreground color from the set foreground color box in the tool panel. You will observe the current brush load switches in the option bar reflect the color or the pattern that you have chosen from the canvas. Okay. Drag the mouse pointer on the image and paint with the mixture of the current brush load and the existing color of the image as shown in figure. Okay. So you can see which color you adjust.